Welcome to the Do and Do Little. We are a mother and daughter duo that likes playing in hair and makeup. First you saw Cray, and that's me. We're doing a Black Lives Matter tribute, including hair and clothes. Our wig today is from Amazon. It's a headband wig brought to you by Benafee Hair. Those are all its social media tags where you can follow them. And that's the bag that it came in. The texture is deep wave, it's 22 inches, and the color is 1B30 Balayage. Comes with 3 combs in the front. It's the middle one. There's the headband. And a comb in the back. Look at that pretty color. And you can see those waves and curls. And as I said, it's a 1B30 balayage. Let me say the word right. Now her hair is prepped, her natural hair that is. And she's just putting on the band. And we've kind of hooked it up in the back so it doesn't get in the way. She's using the combs for security so that it doesn't fall off. Adjusting her headband. And as you recall in our last video, we did the makeup. Guess this is the get ready part 2. Unclipping her hair. Now we're using a mist bottle that we got on Amazon to help rejuvenate the curls. It's a steady mist, you only have to pump once. Using a wide tooth comb. Getting out any tangles. This hair really was pretty good for a hair company that we've never heard of. It didn't shed much. We did co-wash this. Hope you like this video so far. Push the thumbs up icon. And to be honest with you, that's it. The water bottle had a little bit of water and conditioner mix. But that's all we've done to the hair. She's been wearing it over a week and she says she hasn't had an issue with tangling. And she's gotten many compliments on the length and the color. They did a good job. Now she's showing you the back. so you can see that the color is throughout the wig. And to let you know, this is human hair. And it wasn't bad. 22 inches for $100. Pretty thick. And that's the length that it comes down to. Now you're going to have to remember, she's 6 foot tall. So on anyone shorter, it's probably going to come much longer. She's showing you her waist and how far down the hair comes. And check out that shirt. As we said in our last video, they need to be remembered. The hair is soft. She's letting you see the headband. She likes. And we've put on our Black Lives Matter hat to give you another look. She's saying, "What's up?" And she's showing you the hood that comes on the sweatshirt. It's a very nice sweatshirt, but it's not cotton. It is more of a polyester blend, so the material is somewhat silky but thick at the same time. All links to all clothes featured in this video are down below in the description box, along with a hyperlink, so if you're interested in purchasing, you can. And there's our Black Lives Matter face mask. Hope you liked this video so far. Please press the icon. And if you notice, everything has that, I don't know if that's considered green. We considered it green, but it's like a highlighter green in it, including the sweatshirt. And there's our final look with another headband. And now we're doing our clothes edition. Please subscribe if you like the content that we're producing. See, the back of the shirt says Black Lives Matter. We're showing you the hood and how far down the sweatshirt comes. And that it has the large pocket in the front. And we have the matching earrings to go with our lime green look of, see, the hat. We're going to give you a close-up of this hat. And as you can see, you see how full the hair is. And the hat is a beanie. A slouch beanie at that. And we got on our combat boots that are by Ann Creek. They are leather and suede with gold studs, gold tips, and gold heels. We're ready for our protesting time. Got our boots on, our thick sweatpants, our hoodie, our mask, and our hat. All giving you the tribute. Say their names. Say their names. As you can see, the hat says Black Lives Matter. We're showing you the matter part. The black lives is all in the top of the hat. We have on the matching mask. And this is our look. We're ready for protesting. Who says we can't look beautiful while protesting? The boots are comfortable.
Thank you for watching the Do and Do Little. Make sure you subscribe and also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. All right, love you back. Bye.
Thanks for watching.